Hi guys, Nick from LRM. We're the manufacturers of the VersEseal range of waterproofing products. We're out on site today in beautiful Queensland to show you how to make a raised wicking bed veggie garden. So we'll get Lee onto it and show you how to do it. Okay, so as you know, wicking garden beds are ideal in hot and dry climates. If you have somebody who forgets to water often enough, or if you have little helpers that tend to overwater. As you know, a wicking garden bed uses a fully waterproof base to provide a water reservoir for your plants to draw from and an overflow to make sure the soil does not become oversaturated. Having constructed the exterior sleeping wall, we'll be laying in geofabric. We use geofabric due to its strength rather than builder's plastic, which is easily torn. VersEseal has incredible stretch and puncture resistance, so when used in combination with the geofabric, it forms an incredible protective layer. When applying the VersEseal, we're sealing all the edges and around and over the overflow using the VersEseal Rapid Build product. This garden is 2.4 by 1.2 metres wide. This means one 15 kilo bucket is the perfect amount of product to give a 2mm thick dry film build. VersEseal is a water-based coating membrane. It is approved for AS4020, which is the drinking water specification used Australia-wide and is completely safe for use in your garden. VersEseal is UV resistant in exterior applications, so will not go brittle and crack like builder's plastic will. Having let the VersEseal dry for a few days and trimmed off the excess geofabric, we are now flood testing our reservoir just to show how effective the seal is. The Aggie pipe is laid in to provide water flow and storage to the reservoir. We are now adding a 100mm layer of sand up to the drain point so that water can wick up from the reservoir to the soil layer. The soil layer is separated from the sand with a layer of geofabric. We are using a good quality soil and potting mix before planting out our first seedlings. Okay guys, so there you have it. A sleeper built raised veggie garden with a wicking bed. Lovely for the kids, the grandkids, anybody with a sore back, or just somebody who just loves their veggies. If you need to know any more information, please get in contact.